Today I will show you how to bring a participant from Zoom and split the screen with him on a spotlight view. Just like here, I can bring in a volunteer, any person from a Zoom call, and right now I'm on Zoom. Here is my gallery view. You can see I have with me Rita and also Max the hamster, which apparently went to sleep. So let me show you how it's done. It's pretty simple once you know. Let's dive into it. Now that we have Zoom open, we first of all want to make sure that we are spotlighted. So you want to spotlight your video during all your meeting, during all your performance, you want to be spotlighted. And the participant will be spotlighted together with us. Now I brought with me for this demonstration some participants. You need at least 3 in order to do this. So we have over here Rita the doll. She's great. She doesn't talk much, but she's going to be a perfect participant for this example. And we have Max the hamster. Now Max is joining us from a computer, so he is a little bigger because he's in a horizontal view. And Rita, she's super cool and she's joining from her mobile device, so she's vertical. And during meetings you have both ways, so I wanted to demonstrate vertical and horizontally. Now this is the little screen that opens up when you did in the settings. I will show it right here. So Zoom preferences, in under general you want to have use dual monitors. So basically this will open another little screen just like this. Now, I'm not sure if you really actually need an extra monitor for this. Um, yeah, I think you can just do it with one monitor, but I would recommend have an extra monitor, especially if this is what you're doing now for a living. You want to be comfortable. I have another big monitor here, and this is my laptop right over here. So this is the little window that opens extra. By default in this window you will have the spotlighted video. But here's the secret for all this. I can bring any participant. Doesn't matter if you have 50, 100, how many participants you have, you can choose one and put him on this little screen. So if I want to bring Rita, I click on the 3 little dots and we put pin video on second screen. So now Rita is showing right over here. Now this little window is just for me. I'm the only person that can see it. They cannot see it, so it makes no difference whatsoever. If I want to bring Max, click right here and pin video to second screen, and here we go, we have Max on the second screen. Very simple. This is the whole principle. All the rest of your settings on Zoom, it's all the same. Now I will take this screen to the other side where we have Ecamm Live. Now, by the way, I already have Ecamm open, and you can see here Ecamm virtual camera. So you have to, whatever you're doing on Ecamm, it's going to show on the little screen right over here, okay, which is the spotlighted video, which is what you are transmitting to Zoom. Now we're going to take this little screen to my other monitor, and I think that in order to do this you most definitely need 2 monitors. When I think about it, yes, you need 2 monitors. So you take this little screen to the other monitor. I always like to keep on my laptop the gallery view. So when I'm performing, I'm mostly looking at the gallery view, so I have more eye contact with the participants and I'm looking at the camera at the same time. It's better than just being all the time like this and looking at the participants. So I'm looking straight, and then the participant I want to bring on with me, all I will have to do, and I will show you in a moment the settings, but all I will have to do during the performance is just click here, pin video to second screen, and that person will be splitting the screen with me right here along the center. Now let's dive in and see how we set that scene on Ecamm Live. Alright, so we drag it here, and this is how I have it also during my performance. I have this screen right on the side over here. So when on the other screen I select a participant and pin to pin video on second screen. So right now we're going to switch to Max right there. We're going to see him right there, and I can go back just by pin video on second screen, and we have Rita over here. This is the basic scene. I'm seeing myself. So let's go ahead and create a new scene. So I will show you from the beginning how you have this setup from before. So creating a new scene is going to go to your default camera right here. This is the default camera over there. Obviously you want to adjust and zoom in, so you can do all that from here. Zoom into where you want to be, move it around a little bit. This is the basic in. So perfect. Right over there, I can even zoom in a bit more. Okay, so let's say here. So this is your basic scene. You can add your logo and other things on the side, but let's just keep it simple, and let's see how I bring Rita with me over here. So here's the big secret. You share the screen, so you press here. So right now it's sharing, and you can see here, this is my other monitor. So that's Zoom, okay? And here when I do share screen, it's showing Rita. Now I already have it on Zoom, so you might have it on let's say secondary display. So this is probably what it's going to show for you. And when you have to press here and go to Zoom US, and then you need to go where it says only Zoom. Okay, only Zoom. Now participants, it's this screen of the participants right here. Okay, so I keep it open, or the chat sometimes depending of the need. And you just want Zoom US only where it says Zoom. And if you're not sure, you can look here in the top. It says what's the name of the window, and Zoom meeting would be the gallery view. So you just want to do Zoom. So right now here we have Rita. If you only have Rita and you don't see yourself here, it's because you are not in picture. So just press here, and then you're going to appear with the camera that you chose previously. So here we have Rita. I want to move Rita a little bit to the side and crop it. Now Ecamm doesn't give you great tools to crop, so you have to let's move her a little bit to the side. Now you do this only one time before you start the performance. You don't have to mess around with it during the show. So here we have Rita a little bit on the side, and let's just zoom in a little bit, because I don't want everybody to see that it says Zoom here or unpin video. So we're gonna just zoom in a little bit, and there we have Rita in the screen. Now here you can move yourself and you can change the shape. So I like to put it on square, and now I come to the corner, grab the bottom corner, make myself bigger, and there you go. You have, and I can move the screen a little bit there, and now there you go. I have Rita and myself on the same image, on the same frame, and this is what the Zoom participants will see, right? The way you see it right here, split it in half. If, by the way, from here I want immediately to change to max, all I have to do is on the other screen, just pin video on second screen. So now Max is jumping in, and you can see him right there. Oh, he's already getting tired from going around the wheel all the time. Now you can create nice frames to this. I already have, I can show you, I have my Zoom folder here. So this is my default. Then if I want to bring a volunteer, I have it right here. I already have it with frame right there. So, oh, there we go. He woke up. I can even have a volunteer and two cameras. So you can have, right now my second camera is being used for Rita. So this is what it's showing. But normally right here on the bottom, you will see my overhead camera for my hands. If you're doing an interview and you have another person with you in the same room, you can have one camera on them, which might be the one on the bottom, one camera on you, and then you bring one participant from Zoom, which is the screen right here on the side. So that's it. During the performance, you just move between scenes. You already have all the scenes preset from before. So before show, or you just need to 5 minutes adjust a little bit, move the window to the side, and then during the performance you just move between scenes, and there you go, you have a volunteer with you, and just by pinning to the second screen you can bring Rita or whoever you want. So that's how it's done. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, put them in the comment. Rita, do you have any question? You didn't say much. You didn't say much. Okay. My name is Alan. I'm here to help speakers and entertainers in their virtual journey. If you found this video useful, I hope you implement it. It's very easy to do. The secret, once you set it up, you just pin participant to second window and you're done. Very easy. Just switch between the scenes on Ecamm and you got it going. I would like to thank Gidi Livne, which taught me that secret of pin participant to second screen and showed me the idea on OBS, and from OBS I managed to implement it on Ecamm Live, and now you can use it as well. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and click on the bell so you're notified next time I upload a video. If you have any questions about it, please put it in the comments below, and if you have any suggestions for future videos, you can do it as well. I'll be happy to do it. Until next time, Alan Chamo.